friends, here's the next video in my Grace Notes journal series, and this time we're doing 10 fun writing spaces, and this is the second part 2. So in the last part we did 5 different writing spaces, and this time we're going to do 5 more. Plus I have 2 bonuses for you because I just had 2 extra things. So the first one we're going to do is tracts. So this is not actually an exact tract, but it's, you know, one of those little brochures that that you get from different places, and this one has 1 Corinthians 13 on it. So I thought that was beautiful to stick in a journal. I coffee dyed it. I folded it in half, so the cover and the back cover is inside. I stitched around it and I put a tab with a bit of lace at the top, so that just makes a nice little journaling card. So that's number 6. Number 7 is a journal card with the back fold out. So this is just a plain journal card. This is one of those Project Life cards as well that I didn't like the cover, so I covered it up, and I put coffee dyed paper on the back. So I just folded it up. It's not even. I rounded off all of the corners because I don't know if that corner was rounded or not, but I rounded up all the corners anyways, and did some coffee and spritzing and stuff there. And this one I left plain because I will put one of my collages or something on the front there, but that's another idea. And this is basically the same thing. I just had a bit of ledger paper and Grace in my scraps. I put that on there, and I put a little piece of folded coffee dyed paper on there as well. So those are kind of cute. You just tuck them in, and you think it's just a little space, but then it has a lot of extra space at the end. So that's number 7. Number 8 is file folders. So mini file folders are always cute and fun. So here's a little one that I made. This has kind of a belly band in the front with the trees. This was a piece of scrapbook paper, but it kind of matched the kit, so I thought that was kind of cute. And inside I have a little pocket here. And just a bit of collage at the back here. And here's some tracing paper, a little tiny tracing paper pad. And at the back I just put in another piece of cardstock with a little bird as well. So just simple little things, but they look cute in the pocket. I'll tuck something in here and here at some point. Here's another one that I did decorate up a little bit. I stenciled the back. I put one of the quotes from the kit. In believers, the power of Jesus Christ can uphold little sparks of grace in the midst of an ocean of corruption. So I thought that was a nice quote to meditate on. And then inside I also have a pocket in here, just some coffee dyed cardstock, so I'll decorate this and stick something in the pocket at some point. So that's another file folder. And this one is number 9, and this is a swing shape, I called it. So it's basically just going to be attached to the top of a page in the journal, like this, just up here. And then at the back there's a writing space, so just kind of an interesting little thing. I may do some glitter or a word or something on the front there. I'm going to do all the decorating kind of at the end, so make sure you subscribe if you want to catch that, because we're going to do that pretty soon here. Okay, and then I have 2 freebies for you. So the first freebie is postcards. So I made a set of 4 postcards, and I put images from the kit on there so that they would coordinate with the Grace Notes kit as well. So there's one with 3 cute little seals. And these ones I just backed onto plain cardstock that I just had. I just wanted to use up some scraps. So this one has the penguin with the trees in the background. This one had the polar bear. And this one is some snowflakes with the word Grace on it. So that's freebie number 1. And today is December 1st, so these 2 freebies will be on the coffee shop for free until December 8th, 2022. And after that point, I'm going to take them off for free and put them in, bundle them with the Grace Notes journal. So All of the freebies I've been doing in all of these videos are available for free for 1 week on the coffee shop, and after that they'll all be in the Grace Notes journal kit. And that kit already has 19 pages, I believe, not including any of the freebies, so it's going to be a massive kit at the end. So it's linked below if you're interested in the kit. I think it's going to be a fabulous kit with all the extra pieces as well. And then I did 4 journal card kind of things, just with some of the images. I put together different things and made kind of a watercolor splash image over top of a faded image for these ones. And so there's our little friend the penguin again, and these ones I backed on cardstock as well and sewed around them. And there's our little polar bear, and there's our another little penguin, and there's our little seal. So that's the second freebie. So these 2 freebies are on the coffee shop right now for free until December 8th. And then I had one more little bonus that I was just playing around with a napkin I had, and I thought, well, that kind of matches the kit as well, so I think I'm going to throw this into the journal. I just took the napkin and I backed it onto some hymn book pages, and actually a little bit of Bible page as well. And this one I just backed onto some music paper. This one I just backed onto a little piece of cardstock that I had, so this one can be a journaling spot or a pocket. And then these 2 are little pouches that I just folded and sewed. So, and these ones have the title of the hymn right in a visible place there, so I thought those were kind of cute. So there you go. That's the end of the writing spaces, and I believe next time, the next video is going to be the cover. We'll do the cover. I think I initially put 2 signatures with 7 pages each, and I think I'm going to grow that a little bit. I have so much ephemera. I made so much ephemera and pockets and different things, so I think I'm going to probably expand that. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I may do 3 signatures of 7 or 8 pages, or I may do 2 larger signatures. I don't know. I'll see how it goes when I put the pages together. But so watch for that. If you want to, if you subscribe, then you won't miss when I put that up. And then after that, I will have another video that I'm just going to decorate, but I think I'll put it on like triple speed or faster, just so that you can see how I put it together, but you don't have to be watching for an hour or whatever, hours probably. So I'll probably just really speed that up, maybe interject something here or there and put some music in the background, and then you can watch how I put it all together. And I don't know if I'll do it, maybe I'll do one more after that with a flip through, just so that that one doesn't get too long, and I'll just do a quick flip through of all of the stuff we did. So I hope you're enjoying this series. I hope you're following along, whether you're using the kit and the freebies or you're using your own papers. I hope you're getting lots of ideas for different tags and writing spaces and embellishments and all of those things, collage pages, mixed media pages. I think this journal is going to end up being kind of a idea book for me, because I have, usually I'll do, kind of a similar thing, like I did tag toppers, and I did, 15 different ways of doing tag toppers. Usually I'll do the same one in each journal, or maybe a couple. But because I did so many varied things, I think I'm going to use this kind of as a sample journal and just an idea journal that I can get some ideas from. And then I have the videos to look back on how I did things if I forget. So hopefully this is a good resource for you as well. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, friends.